is na these parts are just stuck. Nakastuck sila, kaya lang when we bought this house, the owner just placed lately nails. Pero this is an old traditional Ifugao native house. So nakikita nyo po, kaya po nakastuck kasi when they would like to transfer to another village, yung villagers would help carry the parts, tagalid ang tie, and then stuck parts, and then tutulungan yung owner to assemble again the parts. But yung mag-assemble, yung somebody who is skilled to do all the balance, mga to. Tapos, you can see up there, yung loft. Maitim na kasi, they've been, matagal na to. So, sa usok ng suit ng kahoy, yun ang storage ng harvest, yung palay. Oo. So, of course, ito yung harvest natin. Ito yung ganito, in bundles. Tapos, pag umuulan, after drying sa sand, pag kulang ang drying, nilalagay nila doon or ini-stack na nila ng pag na-dry na. And then below it would be a cooking area at saka firewood storage. So when they cook their food, the heat goes up to help dry more of the harvest, the rice. Tapos, itong floor would always be a table and a bed. Oo, so only maliit lang na pamilya, maybe yung maliliit na ng mga bata ang titira with the parents. Tapos, in the village, yung noon unang panahon, yung girls and women, meron silang tulugan na isang ganito rin. Oo, maybe adjacent or sa isang malapit lang. Tapos, yung men and boys, meron din silang tulugan na ganito. So, pag kakain, akyat sila dito, and then kakain dito. Tapos, below it would always be a working area. Dito sila naghahabi ng damit nila. Ito yung G-string. Meron kaming habian, kaya lang tinapon na ni Bagyo. And then, we have the mortar and pestle sa pagbabayo. Kasi syempre wala namang milling machine in the olden days. So, ito, binabayo dito. Oo, tapos may carpentry sila, and then all animals around. Yun ang
ito
underneath.
yung bahay na hindi pinupuntahan ng daga. Ito, no?
Oo, kasi ito ang purpose nito, itong round thing dito, ito yung nagpre-prevent ng daga na umakyat. Kasi syempre, yung harvest is sweet, yung palay is matamis.
Saka pag ganun po eh.
Oo, yung iba naman kahit lang siya, yung ito kasi yung dinesign lang niya pag ganun, kaya lang flat lang, pwede rin flat. Basta meron siyang ganyan.
Hindi siya
Prevent yung rats. So, this is the traditional Ifugao native house. So, matutulog kayo sa cottages designed from here. You'll be sleeping in bunk beds. Tapos, you'll experience also, kasi in the olden days, wala namang toilet and shower inside. But, you have a private one outside. Yun ang nyo. Yun ang, hello po, toilet and shower room nyo. Oo. So, ito po, the ladies will be staying here.